A quality car vacuum cleaner delivers powerful deep cleaning, removing dust, pet hair, and debris to keep your vehicle fresh, hygienic, and spotless. My today's video is about top 5 best car vacuum cleaners for deep cleaning that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Jixon Mayu Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner. This handheld car vacuum delivers impressive cleaning performance thanks to its powerful 16,000 pascals brushless motor, making it easy to lift embedded dirt, pet hair, crumbs, and dust from seats, carpets, floor mats, and hard-to-reach corners. Its cordless, lightweight design provides excellent portability, allowing you to clean your vehicle, home, or workspace without dealing with tangled cables. The included 7-in-1 accessory kit adds outstanding versatility, with specialized tools for vacuuming, brushing, and blowing away debris in tight spaces. A washable HEPA filtration system captures fine dust while keeping maintenance simple and cost-effective, since both the filter and dust bin are reusable. The rechargeable battery offers up to 45 minutes of runtime, while USB Type-C fast charging and the LED battery indicator make it convenient to recharge and monitor power levels. Combining strong suction, practical accessories, and user-friendly features, this vacuum is an excellent choice for anyone seeking professional-level cleaning in a compact, portable package. Now our second product is Omoful Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This 4-in-1 cordless vacuum is an excellent all-round cleaning solution, combining vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and deflating in one compact device. Its powerful 19,500 pascals cyclonic suction, driven by an 85,800 revolutions per minute brushless motor, easily removes pet hair, crumbs, dust, ash, and stubborn debris from car interiors, furniture, and other hard-to-reach areas. The wide range of accessories, including a flexible hose, crevice brush, floor brush, and multiple air nozzles, adds exceptional versatility for home, car, and outdoor use. The 7,800 mAh rechargeable battery delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime, while USB Type-C charging offers convenient recharging virtually anywhere. A dual filtration system with washable HEPA and metal filters captures fine particles while maintaining strong suction over time. The HD digital display, full dust bin indicator, and one-touch dust disposal make operation effortless. Lightweight yet highly capable, this portable vacuum offers professional-grade performance, making it a smart investment for anyone seeking powerful, versatile, and hassle-free cleaning. Our third product is Aspirin Canister Vacuum. The Aspirin ASCA040 canister vacuum is a thoughtfully designed cleaning solution that combines powerful performance with everyday convenience. Its strong suction easily handles dust, dirt, pet hair, and household debris across hard floors, low-pile carpets, upholstery, stairs, and other common surfaces. The adjustable suction control allows you to tailor cleaning power for delicate or demanding tasks, improving efficiency without damaging surfaces. A high-capacity 5L dust bag minimizes frequent replacements, making it ideal for larger homes and extended cleaning sessions. The advanced HEPA filtration system captures fine dust and allergens while the pre-filter helps protect the motor, supporting cleaner air and long-lasting performance. Its patented Easy Glide floor brush moves smoothly across floors, reducing effort and fatigue during use. Additional attachments make it easy to clean tight spaces, furniture, and even vehicle interiors. Finished with automatic cord rewind for hassle-free storage, this vacuum offers a practical balance of power, convenience, and reliable everyday performance. Now number 4, Berco Brushless Handheld Vacuum. This cordless handheld vacuum delivers an impressive combination of power, portability, and versatility in an ultra-lightweight design. Its 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor generates a consistent 15,000 pascals of suction, making it highly effective at removing pet hair, crumbs, sand, dust, and other stubborn debris from car interiors and around the home. With Eco and Turbo cleaning modes, it easily adapts to both quick daily touch-ups and more demanding cleaning tasks. Weighing only 0.7 pounds, it's comfortable to use for extended periods and reaches tight spaces, shelves, and vehicle ceilings with ease. The included 11-piece accessory kit transforms it into a 4-in-1 tool for vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and deflating, adding exceptional value beyond basic cleaning. Its F9 HEPA filtration captures fine particles for cleaner air, while USB Type-C charging ensures convenient recharging anywhere. Quiet operation, simple maintenance, and practical accessories make this vacuum an excellent choice for efficient, everyday cleaning. And our last choice is Umax Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. The Umax X9 Ultra is a powerful cordless handheld vacuum designed to make cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient. Its high-performance suction effortlessly removes dust, dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and stubborn debris from car interiors, furniture, office spaces, and other hard-to-reach areas. The standout feature is its long-lasting battery, providing up to 55 minutes of runtime on a single charge, allowing you to complete extensive cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. Its lightweight cordless design offers excellent portability and freedom of movement, making it ideal for both home and travel use. Beyond vacuuming, the built-in blower function adds extra versatility by clearing dust from keyboards, vents, and tight crevices. The reusable filter is easy to clean, reducing maintenance costs while maintaining strong suction performance over time. Multiple nozzles and brush attachments further enhance its versatility, ensuring effective cleaning for various surfaces. Overall, the Umax X9 Ultra delivers reliable performance, convenience, and exceptional value for everyday cleaning tasks. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.